In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add Shopify store link to Instagram bio. If you have already set up your Shopify store and you want people to find it easily, adding your store link to your Instagram bio is one of the simplest and most effective ways to do that. The bio is the first place visitors look, so making sure it contains your correct Shopify URL helps you drive traffic with less effort. To get started, open the Instagram app on your phone. Give it a moment to load fully, especially if you are switching between apps. Once you are on the main screen, make sure you can see your feed or your homepage, so you are ready to navigate to your profile. Next, go to your profile. You can do this by tapping the profile icon, usually located at the bottom of the screen. When you tap it, your profile should appear, showing your profile picture, your username, and the bio area where your current text is displayed. Take a quick second to confirm you are on the correct account, especially if you have multiple accounts linked to the same phone. Now click Edit Profile. This option is typically near the top of your profile page, close to your profile details. When you tap Edit Profile, you should see editing fields that let you update different parts of your profile information. This is the area where you will update the content that appears under your name and handle. After that, click Bio. In the editing screen, look for the section labeled Bio, or a field where your bio text appears. Tap inside that bio field so your cursor appears, and you can edit the text. This is where you will add your Shopify store URL, so it needs to be entered accurately to avoid broken links. When you enter your Shopify store URL, focus on getting the correct address. The URL should start with the standard website format, and it should point to your actual store link. If you already have the link copied somewhere else, you can paste it into the bio field. If you are typing it manually, double-check each character before you continue. Even a small mistake can make the link fail, so it is worth taking a few careful seconds here. Once the Shopify URL is entered in the bio field, you are ready to save your changes. Click Done to apply the update. You may see a confirmation moment, or the profile screen may refresh automatically. After you tap Done, scroll back up slightly to view your profile bio exactly as other people will see it. Finally, verify that the link appears in your Instagram bio. You should be able to see the URL in the bio text area, and it should match the Shopify store link you intended to add. This quick check helps ensure your bio is updated correctly before you share your profile with others. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.